Hi ladies, so today I'm gonna use the Spa Sciences Eco Brush, and I also got sent their replaceable brush head, so this is so exciting. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Okay ladies, so I'm gonna activate the brush now. I'm gonna install it. So this is the brush head. It's a pretty pink, and this is where you put the brush head. So this is the brush head. Ay, this is just really soft and fluffy. So you see, I'm gonna connect it now. Okay, I think you just pop it in there like that. I mean, I don't know. Okay, so this has 3 level speeds, so I'm gonna turn it to low, and it's green when it's on. Okay, it's vibrating, as you can see. Now I'm gonna turn it to a medium, so it's more faster, and then fast, even more fast. So I'm gonna start with the low first. I'm gonna use my Electrónico foundation, and I'm gonna apply it in my face and then use a brush with it. So wish me luck. This is the first time I use this type of brush, so I'm gonna apply it on my cheek, a little bit here. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it on and low, so there. So I'm gonna buff it in my face. Okay, I do see it working, but it definitely looks cakey on me. I have dry skin, so it feels weird a little. It doesn't hurt. Okay. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. And look, it got dirty. Anyways, I'm gonna do a close-up now. So it does cover, oops, I forgot this spot, but you see it does cover redness, everything, but it's very cakey. So I didn't put primer, moisturizer, or just foundation. So this is the side with no foundation. This is the side with the foundation using this brush. So I don't know, do y'all like it? I'm gonna do it for the all of my face now. Okay, so in this side I'm gonna do level medium and fast. I forgot to do it in this side, so I'm gonna turn it on again. Okay, this is medium. Whoa, it's more intense. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it to the fast one now, the third setting. Wow, this definitely is faster. A little bit here. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off, and you can see it's cakey. It built up here on my dry patch, and it does cover, and it's still cakey. So if you have oily skin, maybe it won't look cakey, I don't know, but this is definitely fun and cool, and it's faster than as opposed to putting your beauty blender like that. But it's fun, but it is a cool way to do foundation. Okay, I'm gonna finish doing my whole face with the low setting. I'm scared because it's around my eye. I wanna look. A little bit of my forehead. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. So, I think I covered everything. So this is a close-up. So what do y'all think? It definitely covered everything, my redness, but it's cakey, so it sucks. But I probably need to try it with moisturizer and primer. I don't know if it's gonna help for next time. So you know me, I'm gonna try an experiment now with the liquid blush, because with this you can use it for everything: your powder, your primer, foundation, blush, highlighter, contour, and even skincare and SPF products. Look, it says here. So I'm just gonna do it with makeup today, so it's pretty fun. So I'm gonna use the Benefit Cosmetics blush, and you can apply it on the brush and then use it like that, or like I did, put it in my skin first and then use the brush. So I'm gonna this time now try the blush and the brush head instead of putting it directly in my face. So it's pretty fun. Never mind. Should I? Yeah, I'm just gonna continue using it. So this is a liquid blush, so we'll see how it blends. Oops, I'm making a mess, but okay, I'm gonna turn it on the low setting and applying it on this side of the face. Okay, I'm gonna apply it on the other side. Wow, it definitely works, but and this side is more pigmented than this, so I have to keep reapplying here. So I'm gonna apply it here. I don't want to get too excited. Okay, so again, I'm gonna do the same technique. Oops, now this one's more pigmented. So, wow, this is fun. So I'm gonna turn it off now. Never mind. As you can see, it's very perfect, like streak. It's very placed on there, so it's like a big old dark line, so it's not easily blendable like a sponge or a brush. So it's, I love the pigment payoff, but it's not properly placed. It looks very exaggerated, like a drag queen makeup, which is not bad, but I'm not trying to do that. So it's fun, but is it convenient? Maybe not, but maybe for a foundation, but not for the blush. Maybe if it was powder, because I think you can use powder as well with this. Maybe it's easier and better, but instead of the liquid blush. But it's still fun to play around with it. So I'm gonna do a close-up. So you see, it's very cut and clean. Like, you already know what I'm trying to explain. So that's basically it. That's the final look. So excuse me. Oh yeah, it does come with a charger. It's a USB cord charger, so to charge this for a whole day, and then again you can replace this, clean this. So yeah, this is even dermatologists recommended. I don't know if it's true, but that's cool if it is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's fun. So thank y'all for watching. Bye.